Nothing is gearing up for its next big software leap with Nothing OS 4, and it's already turning heads in the tech community. Following the clean, minimal, and performance-first execution of Nothing OS 3.0, expectations have climbed. Now, based on early leaks and insider tips, Nothing OS 4 is being developed with a clear focus on refining the user experience, enhancing responsiveness, and tightening integration with the company's expanding hardware ecosystem. According to multiple sources, including community insiders and early beta testers, the interface will undergo a refresh that prioritizes fluidity. Smoother transitions, faster animations, and more consistent frame rates across the board are all on the roadmap. The company is addressing prior issues like minor lag, during multitasking, and subtle UI stutters that OS 3.0 users had noted. This time, the system is being optimized at a deeper level to ensure minimal latency and better load balancing. Visual improvements are also expected, with more polished UI elements, refined animations, and a more cohesive design language that sticks to Nothing's aesthetic DNA: simple, clean, and thoughtful. Nothing OS 4 is also rumored to introduce intelligent, on-device AI features, which would mark the company's first major push into this space. These AI upgrades are likely to power smarter voice interactions, personalized recommendations, and system-wide adaptive behaviors. AI-assisted power management could help improve battery life and maintain peak performance without added heat or drain. Privacy and security upgrades are also a major theme. As digital security becomes a hot topic, Nothing is reportedly enhancing encryption protocols, simplifying app permission management, and adding more transparency into how data is handled. These updates are expected to align closely with Google's latest Android security framework, ensuring that the system is not only functional but also trustworthy. Beyond software, Nothing OS 4 is being shaped to work in tandem with upcoming hardware, specifically the Nothing Phone 3. Optimization for future hardware features is a key goal, with rumored support for advanced camera functions, deeper Glyph interface integration, and better gaming performance thanks to system-level improvements. Nothing may also debut new capabilities tied to its Glyph Matrix system, expanding how users interact with visual notifications and feedback cues. The full rollout of Nothing OS 4 is expected to coincide with the release of the Nothing Phone 3 later this year. Pricing for the phone is likely to remain within the brand's mid-premium segment, around $499 to $599, according to early retail chatter. The software update itself is slated for release in the third quarter of 2025.